Are you tired of sending green text to your iPhone toting friends? Do you want to join the world of seamless, feature-rich messaging that only iMessage can offer? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate iMessage on your iPhone so you can start sending those coveted blue bubbles. Let's dive in. First things first, grab your iPhone and head into your settings app. Right at the very top, you see a banner with your name. You want to make sure you're signed in to an Apple account. This is crucial. If you're not, you can easily sign in with an existing Apple ID that you can use for other devices. Or you can create a brand new one for free. Trust me, you absolutely need an Apple ID to unleash the power of iMessage. Step number 2. Once you're signed in, scroll all the way down until you hit the app section. Click on apps. Within the app section, keep scrolling until you find messages. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside the message settings, you want to scroll down a bit further until you see the iMessage toggle switch. In this scenario, we already have it toggled on. If you do not, just simply toggle it on. You might see a waiting for activation message pop up for a moment, and that's perfectly normal. Just give it a second. Once it activates, you'll notice a new section appears below. Send and receive. This is where you can choose how you want to send and receive your iMessages, whether it's through your phone number, your Apple ID, email, or both. Make sure your preferred contact methods are selected. Now that iMessage is activated, it's time to test it out. Exit your settings app and open up your messages app. Simply send a message to another iPhone user. If your message sends as a blue bubble, congratulations, you're officially using iMessage and good to go. If you're still sending as a green bubble, don't panic, it means iMessage isn't quite activated yet. Double check your settings, and sometimes a quick restart of your iPhone can help. And there you have it. You successfully activated iMessage on your iPhone. Don't stop here. Take control of your privacy. Check out this video where we reveal 6 iPhone settings you need to turn off right now.